Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and in this Linux tutorial we are going to talk about the pgrep and pkill commands. Okay, so I will just throw a bug in your ear, as we say it in Croatia. We actually have a term which translated to English would mean throw a bug in your ear, and don't worry, it's not going to be some Matrix type of stuff where I put a bug in your stomach or whatever. I remember that they put some worm in his mouth or something, or in his eye. I don't know. I just know that that scene is very grotesque. But basically, I'm not literally going to put the bug in your ear, but this is just a slang term for I will introduce you to certain commands. Okay? And by the way, you most likely won't be needing these commands in most cases, but sometimes you know only the process name, but you don't know its ID, and you want to end the process. Okay, then you can use the pgrep command, and again, I'm not going to actually show you, I'm just going to tell you about the command if you ever have the need to use it. You can use the pgrep command combined with xargs. Okay, and in the references in the video description, I think I will put a link to the article which you can read. And again, this is useful for cases where you don't know the process ID, but you know the process name and you want to kill the process. Okay, and also there is also another command which you can use, which is the pkill command. And with it, you can use the process name as the argument. Okay, so instead of using the process ID as we use with the regular kill command, you can use pkill and use the process name as the argument. Okay, so pgrep in combination with xargs and pkill command are the things which you can use when you don't know the process ID. And I will leave the links in the description so you can look it up yourself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope it's been informative tutorial from Tsoratia, and I hope you visit our country. We have a very beautiful sea, and I don't know why I just turned to some quasi-Russian accent. But anyway, yeah, it's been a pretty good tutorial right now. So thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to this Tsoratian channel where you learn computer programming tutorials. And I hope you spread the word of the awesomeness of these tutorials. And yeah, that's it. Talk soon.